Hello folks, it's time for the drawing here. Good luck to everybody. And once again, you need to be in the United States in the lower 48 in order for us to ship it there. I'm sorry guys. Maybe later on we'll be able to have something, I don't know, like Amazon or something card to where we're open to everybody. Hate leaving you guys out. But thank y'all for entering. And we'll be having the first drawing for this book here. Alrighty, the winner for the first book, Homesteading, is Hit It, Shug.
We can't.
Okay.
Linda Rainking.
All right. Congratulations. Shug, write that down. Of course, we're making a video of it here right now, but write it down for our records here. All right. Now, book number 2. We're having the drawing now for this book. All right. Moving right along here to book number 2. Dixie, quiet it down there just a little bit. The Old Farmer's Almanac, Vegetable Gardener's Handbook. Hit it, Shug. Idaho Mike Prepping. Okay, it's flying right along here, folks. This here's the next book. Right here. The next book, Companion Planning. Let's do the drawing for it. R&D Just Country. Congratulations, Ron. Alrighty. This here's the book now we're drawing for. Alright, folks. Book number 4. The Canning Book. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Butcher 101. Congratulations. Alrighty. This book right here. What have you done, Dixie? Went over to a bottle now, huh? Okay. Alrighty, folks. Book number 5. Growing Vegetables for the First-Time Gardener. Now, folks, it ain't got to be the first-time gardener. This could be for anybody. Jessica Sowards of the Roots and Refuge Farm. Great book. She's got a great channel also. Hit it, Shug. Life with Belinda and Chuck. Congratulations, Chuck. We'll be getting it in the mail there. You just need to send us your information. Alrighty. Moving right down the line here to book number 6. And last but not least, Tippers from Celebrating Appalachia. Her cookbook. Alrighty, folks. Last but not least, the Southern Appalachian Cookbook from Celebrating Appalachia's Tipper. Hit it, Shug. Jacob Baker. Congratulations, Jacob. Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. And I'm glad y'all participated in this. And folks, thank y'all for watching our stuff. We're just a little channel. We're not never gonna, I don't know what to say. We're just gonna be plain and simple. I'd like to have a drawing like this every so often. Next time what we'll try to do is like maybe some Amazon cards or something. But folks, you all are the ones that watched us, got our hours and everything there. Thank y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Monday.
Congratulations and thank you.
Yes, congratulations to everybody. Hope you all have a great weekend.